This is how to withdraw from Coinbase to bank in Nigeria. This is my Coinbase app. Currently, if you are from my region and some other African countries, there are restrictions on many features on Coinbase that is not supported, but you can still do a lot with using Coinbase. There are some tasks and apps that you need to do that Coinbase will make it easier for you. Like if you are using CoinApp, you can withdraw directly from CoinApp to your Coinbase. I'll be showing you simplest and fastest way to have access to your funds on Coinbase and get them cash out to your bank in your country, and this include Nigeria. I'll be withdrawing this amount to my bank in Nigeria. You can see transfer. For you to know the asset you have, you scroll down, you can see cash. This is the asset I have, that is USDC of this amount. To withdraw and cash out this money to my bank account in Nigeria, I will tap here. You can see my balance in USDC. I will tap here. Currently, you can deposit on Coinbase and you can withdraw on Coinbase. You cannot do P2P on Coinbase if you are from a region. You cannot withdraw or deposit directly to your account if you are from a region. But I'll be showing you the fastest way to withdraw. To withdraw, you tap here, withdraw. You can see send crypto to a crypto address, email or phone number. So you tap this place, you tap this. What I'm doing is to transfer this money in USDC to an exchange that supports my country, Nigeria, and other African countries, and most of my audience. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be transferring the money to ByBit first in the cheapest way that will cost you almost nothing. And for you to do any crypto transfer, you consider the network and the cost. For us to look at the cost, look at all this network that you're going to use. If you scroll down, you can see Ethereum, you can see Base. Base will cost you virtually zero to use. So if you go to ByBit, we look out for Base. If ByBit support Base, we use Base. These are other networks that we can use. Look at this, another cheapest network, Optimism. Base network is closely associated to Coinbase. So let's go to ByBit. You can see this is my ByBit app and you can see my current balance. Now to deposit in ByBit, you tap here deposit, because you want to receive money from Coinbase first to ByBit. So you tap deposit. You come down here, tap deposit crypto. Because we are depositing USDC, you can search. If you are not seeing USDC, you can search from here, but you just tap USDC. So we are looking for Base because Base is well associated with Coinbase. You can see Base is here, that is Base network. This Avalanche too, but Base is better, so we choose Base. You can use your phone to capture this QR code, or you copy this wallet address, which is my USDC deposit wallet address for Base network on my ByBit account. So I will copy my wallet address, tap here. You can see it is copied successfully. I will go back to Coinbase to use that address. Because ByBit supports Base network and I have my USDC wallet address on Base network copied already, so I will select Base. Look at what I say. Does your recipient accept USDC on Base? I will tap yes, it's supported. For security purpose, you cannot see this one. I'm typing the amount I want to withdraw. Where are you sending the money? Is it self-custody or an exchange? Because I'm sending to an exchange, which is ByBit, I will tap exchange. For KYC purpose, and if you read this, due to national regulation and additional information required, so I will put my name. I will tap send it to myself. If you are sending to a third party, you write the person's name here. You see your name here and the name of your country. Then you tap continue. So you tap exchange. So you select the exchange you are sending to. So I select ByBit as the exchange. You will not be able to see the details for security purpose. You just tap send now. It's sending already. You can see. Look at it. You send this amount. All you just need to do is to tap done. Look at it. This, you sent this amount. So if you go back, you can see that there's nothing here again. So the next thing to do is to go back to ByBit to find out if your money is there. You can see the money is deposited on my ByBit account. For you to see the exact, you come to the asset, you tap asset, you can see USDC, you can see the exact amount with zero cost. That is, you are not losing anything. The next thing to do is to transfer this USDC to your bank account in Nigeria. You come to this place, home, look at it. This is P2P. You tap P2P, P2P. Because you are selling your USDC, you tap sell. You come to this place to select the amount you want to transfer. You tap this amount. Suppose the amount you want to transfer to your bank account in Nigeria is 20,000 naira. You type 20,000 naira. Then you confirm it. You come to this place, or payment method. You select your payment method. This is where you select the bank where your account is domiciled in Nigeria. Then you select the pairs that suit your purpose here. Then you select sell. You are selling your USDC. For you to know step by step of how to do that, I did a free demo video step by step. Make sure you never release your money until you check your bank account, and ensure that is the person that is listed here that send the transfer, no third party transfer. Otherwise, you report to support. Never make negotiation with any peer on the list. Ensure you do the right thing. Don't get scammed. If you are new to ByBit or doing crypto transaction, you see the link below the description of this video of regular cryptos exchange that I use. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Please drop your comment. I will respond and get back to you as soon as possible. Be safe online. Bye for now.